How to use Gemini Live on your desktop. So first you're gonna have to go to any preferred browser, and once you're there, go to this search bar. Not the one in the middle, but the one here on the top, so it directly just leads you there. So present that and search for this thing over here. We already typed it in, but to again we're gonna do it again. I guess AI Studio .google.com and then /live. Once you enter, you will be introduced to this thingy. Just go ahead and check this and then press on continue. So you will immediately get access to Gemini Live's features. So you're gonna have to permit permissions though, which is the microphone, your camera, and you will be able to use Gemini Live. So just go ahead and start typing a prompt, or you can just directly talk to Gemini Live, or just do whatever you want. But that is pretty much how you use your Gemini Live in desktop. You can go ahead and log into whatever account you want. You can change your voices as well. You have resolution changes, but you can go ahead and explore to however you please. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.